Hello friends, I am Jaideep Patil. I welcome all of you on the online platform of Deepstambha Competitive Examination Center. We all Deepstambhians working for rural students, all the economical background students, as well as we are working for the handicapped and blind students in the our Manobal Center. Friends, now we are starting UPSC Foundation course. This course will be helpful for the 10 students, 12 students and those students who are studying under the graduation phase and they wish to crack UPSC exam after some years. So we are starting this course from next 2 days from near about 10th May. UPSC Foundation course, which is the course of 70 hours, but definitely I assure you this course will help you to fulfill your basic needs of study. I am not saying that this course will make you IAS, but I am definitely sure this course will definitely help you to make the concepts clear about this exam. For UPSC prelims, today we will discuss on the subject General Science and Technology. Dear friends, General Science is the very different and unique subject. Many students which belongs to arts faculty or commerce faculty, they are afraid with this subject. But I think if you are biased against this subject, so how can this subject will help you? If you love this subject, then definitely this subject will also love you. So my dear friends, I am starting the topic which is very important. Please, before starting this topic, I request to all of you, please find our channel YouTube which is given below. Our YouTube channel, please subscribe it, like our videos and share with your all friends. Dear friends, science, general science. We know that science is a magic. Science is a very versatile subject. Mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, computer, microbiology, many things are included in science. 20th century was the century of science. 21st century is the century of technology. And science and technology growing by such a speed, so now there is not an issue of century, now there is a decades. I told you 2001 to 2010, this decade was of internet. 2011 to 2020, this decade was of artificial intelligence. Don't know what will be the next, because science and technology changing with time to time, related to our research of all youngsters who are very dedicated to their dreams. Now, this subject science having a background in our educational career from last 5 to 10 years, which was start from 5th standard. In 3rd, 4th standard, we also studied the different things which were related towards the environment and very basic things which are very favorable in our childhood. But after the 5th standard, this subject plays very vital role in our development of our knowledge. Friends, science is a subject of different phenomena, different rules, different laws, which laws are hidden in the nature. Scientists, what are they doing? Scientists observe the nature. After observing the nature, they observe some certain pattern in the nature, and according to that pattern, they found the certain phenomenon which impact on human life. And we know that all impacting phenomena are nowadays laws. For example, Newton found the gravitation. How he found the gravitation? For your kind information, Newton found gravitation in such a pandemic which was a plague pandemic. Many students don't know that like us, Newton was also locked down in his town. So he was a very different person. He lived with the nature, he loved the nature, and he said that Newton having a gossiping with nature. One day, in such a pandemic like a corona, at that time there were a plague pandemic. So Newton see the phenomenon with the help of apple which fall down on the earth, and there was a phenomenon which is a gravitation. So there are many things which are hidden in nature. That all hidden things are in front of us in the books, in the different lectures, videos, and very different technologies, only because of the science. Science is a game like a chess. Suppose if two peoples are playing the chess, why they can play the chess? Because they know the rules. Which rules? They know the different, like a horse, like a camel, or different parts which plays in a chess. So their two peoples know the rules. But suppose one person who is unknown with all these things, he don't know chess, he don't know the rules. So what will happen? The third person definitely said that these two people are mad, they are doing a foolish activities, and what is this? This is not a game. But whenever this third person knows the rules of chess, so dear friends, what will happen? Definitely that person will also take part in that game, that is a chess, and he can play the chess from morning to evening. Same like that, science. Many students afraid with science. They told that this is very boring subject, this is very not interesting subject. Why they told such a foolish sentence? I said you, dear friends, those students don't know the science rules. Those students which are very far from science, so how they can play this game of science? Friends, science is a subject of interest. Science is a subject, is a comprehension. So learn it, observe it. After observing, make your own pattern of study and go ahead with this subject. Science is not a subject. Science is the language of the new era. So please be with the era, otherwise you will be the hidden person on the universe. Friends, science. We know that according to UPSC prelims, there are physics, chemistry, biology, and technology. These four subjects plays an important role in the syllabus of the UPSC prelims. So today, in our today's session, which is in the platform, on the platform of Deepstambha Competitive Examination Guidance Center, which is in Jalgaon, Maharashtra. Dear friends, today I will discuss with these two subjects only, physics and chemistry. Day after tomorrow, my dear friend Dr. Harshal sir will discuss on the topic biology and technology also. So be awaited for these two topics for the Dr. Kulkarni sir. Today we will discuss physics and chemistry. Dear friends, according to the question papers of UPSC from 2011 to 2019, I can say that whenever the paper of UPSC prelim is divided in two sections, general science and technology. So dear friends, remember the thing, for the prelims, as concerned to general science, technology is also very important. In another angle, from last this 8 to 9 years, near about 60% to 90% of questions in prelims are belongs to technology, while 10% to 40% weightage given to the general science. So many students now thinking that okay, that is good, so we will focus on technology and we will avoid the general science for the preparation. Friends, look, stop such a thinking which will be harmful for your career. Friends, technology is nothing but it is a child of general science. What is technology? Technology is nothing but technology is the use of general science in our daily life. This is the meaning of that. If you know general science, then you can study technology. Simple thing. I can say you can study communication technology, which is in telephone or mobile. So this is that is telecommunication or the communication technology. But dear friends, until and unless you study the chapter sound, you study the chapter that is related to frequencies, ultraviolet rays, different frequencies, their bandwidth and different wavelengths, these all topics related to the general science. If you study all these things, then you can study the communication part of the technology. Again, second thing, if you want to study nuclear chemistry, so there will be the nuclear chemistry. We know that there are some reactors of production of nuclear energy, fuel, uranium, etc. Blah. But friends, if you know the base of nuclear technology, that is which was given to the world by the Henry Becquerel, alpha, beta and gamma rays. Until and unless you study alpha, beta and gamma, then you can study technology. So friends, please avoid such a thinking of the bypassing some topics. Please don't bypass general science and don't try to only focus on technology. Friends, you must have to study general science, then you will love technology. So, by these statistics, we can observe that general science and technology, both parts are very important for our preparation. Now, we will see the subtopics of physics and chemistry. Dear friends, physics is what? Physics is the study of matter and energy and interrelation between them. So, these subjects contain the chapters like which are very important topics actually, that is physical quantities, and dimension. Friends, if you are undergraduate, you are studying in 10th, 11th, 12th standard, then remember that this chapter is now in a book of 8th, 9th standard. We were studied this topic in the 8th standard. So remember a thing, if you are starting a preparation of UPSC, don't ignore the books of your school days. These books are very important for your preparation. And NCERT books, if you are belongs to state board, that books are also good, but NCERT books plays key role in the preparation of UPSC. Second chapter, that is related to motion, force and pressure. Third chapter, which is related to the electricity fourth chapter related to the light, fifth chapter which is related to the sound, sixth chapter which is related to the heat, seventh chapter which is of modern physics, eighth chapter which is very important, which is by the angle of optics also. So see, these are the 8 topics which plays the important role in the syllabus of physics. Dear friends, these all chapters having 2 parts. They are in theory pattern, they are in a numerical pattern, and major thing, all these chapter having a certain technology in nowadays. For example, optics. Optics is in a basic science, that is physics, but binoculars, different Kepler like Kepler or the different things which are useful to observe the universe are related to the technology. So friends, remember one thing, again I am saying to you, science and technology are the 2 sides of a single coin. Without one side it is not a coin. So remember, theory भी आपको करना है, numerical भी आपको करना है और technology भी आपको करना है with these all topics. Fine. Now these topics of physics, now we are going to the topics of chemistry. Chemistry, which is a subject of magic, very different subject. Many students avoid this subject, avoid the practicals of this subject, reactions and many things, different formulas and chemical combinations, chemical formulas, elements. Many students avoid all these facts, but dear friend, this is very different subject which plays important role in our life. See, whenever we start our life, when we are wake up from sleep, so we took a paste and toothbrush. Friends, from that thing, brush, paste are made up from the different chemicals. From that point to the last night, up to the night, from last night to the next night, we are using the different chemicals. Water is a chemical, cup of tea give us a chemical, food is nothing but a chemical, clothes is nothing but a chemical, plastic is nothing but a chemical, metals are nothing but a chemicals, everything is a chemical. So friends, if we are living with chemical, so why we are afraid to study the chemistry? So please don't afraid, be loving with this subject, that is chemistry. Do you know the history of this word? Dear friends, chemistry word derived from the word chemia, which is a Greek word. The meaning of chemia is a black color. So Greek people were found black color first time with the artificial efforts. So they gave the name to such discovery, that is the chemia, and after that in English chemia converted to the chemistry. In this chemistry we having the chapters. First chapter is atomic structure, second chapter is classification of elements, third chapter that is the solutions, fourth chapter that is chemical bonds. Chemical bond, this is the brother of James Bond. No, this is a type of the bonding of substance with each other, that is a chemical bond. We study in the ionic bond, covalent bond. So this is different things are in this chapter, chemical bond. Very funny chapter, that is a chemical reactions, which gives us many results in our study also. All the industries in all MIDCs of the world based on this chapter, that is a chemical reactions. Sixth chapter is carbon and carbonic compounds. Friends, we know that there are 118 elements in the universe. So why carbon is a different? Because carbon shows us different property and remaining 117 elements don't show that property. The study of carbon and carbonic compound is the special branch in chemistry that is known as organic chemistry. So dear friends, only a carbon is an element which prepare near about 5 to 6 lakh compounds single by the carbon, and remaining all elements prepare near about 80 to 90,000 compounds. So if you compare carbon 5 to 6 lakh compounds and remaining all 80 to 90,000 compounds. So finally this is the importance of carbon. This chapter is very interesting chapter. We learn in our 9th and 10th standard, that is alkane, alkene, alkyne. So all these things related to this carbon, and this property of carbon is nothing but the catenation. Such a very interesting facts in this chapter, that is carbon and carbonic compounds. After that there is a chapter of nuclear chemistry and industrial chemistry. Friends, these chapters are nothing but the base of chemistry. On the base of this chapter there are different technologies, like nuclear chemistry gives nuclear technology, industrial chemistry gives industrial technology. Atomic structure is base of nuclear technology. Chemical reactions, chemical bonding, this gives many aspect to all different branches of science. So these are the very important topics related to the syllabus of our UPSC prelims. Friends, according to these two sections, that is physics and chemistry, now we are learning about them. There are huge knowledge which is hidden in all this chapter. In our online course, which is the foundation course for UPSC of 70 hours, which will start from 10th of May, you can join this course with our all the expert faculties which are on our platform, on our YouTube. You can see their demo lectures and you can experience all this environment of Deepstambha, which is very inspiring institute in Maharashtra. So friends, please join with us for 20 days near about. We will give you 70 hours study module for online study. In this lockdown, use the time wisely. This is the best time to learn in home. Please stay at home. We will give you all knowledge at your doorstep via online sections. Dear friends, biology and technology, this session will be given by my dear friend Dr. Harshal Kulkarni sir, a day after tomorrow. So please listen that session also. If you wish to ask any query or if you wish to contact us, there is a streamline below the screen. Please copy that number and call to our volunteers. They will contact you and give answers of your all questions. Dear friends, thank you so much. Be with us. Thank you. All the best.